Hello, welcome back to the tvONE Training Academy studio. In this short video we're going to be unboxing the CORIOview. CORIOview is just perfect for a whole bunch of applications, from huddle rooms, meeting rooms, small control rooms, medical and even in industrial. It's a great little unit. Every facility needs a CORIOview. It's a multi-window viewer, but we've redefined the multi-window viewer. It's compact, simple, versatile. You see that in a minute. Control methods are multiple, so I can control off the front panel. I can control using the API, the choreographer software, or I can use plugins of my choice for most popular control systems as well. Display methods are varied as well, so you can obviously use it through a display, through a projector. We've also got custom resolution, so you could hook up to LED wall as well. There's lots of future proofing in it, and you'll see it in these videos as we go through, so lots of ability to connect broadcast, digital AV and legacy AV signals, and there's some great modes in this. And there's a button called the info button, which just takes away a whole bunch of pain. There's various models. In this video we're going to be unboxing the MWP-4D-1Y. Now the MWP stands for multi-window processor, 4D stands for 4 DVI Universal connectors, and I'll tell you a little bit more about that in a moment. 1Y stands for 4K. So let's see what's in the box. As ever with tvONE, well packaged, lots of foam in around the unit. A couple of pieces of documentation, the user manual. Also have a statement here, product safety, liability and warranty. Really useful to see where you can use your unit, and also to read about our class leading warranty, 5 years parts and labour warranty. Next of all is the manual. This is a great little read as ever. This is the quick start. There's a full length manual on the USB stick, and it covers such things as setting up the unit, hooking it up to sources, screens, linking up to a control PC using choreographer software, and then it talks about networks and setting up CORIOview from the front panel as well. You can see where we've used pictures instead of lots of words, and later on when we get into some of the more complex areas, you can see more pictures and words, which I think is great. Let's unpack this box. So this is a power cord. It's a US one. This is the unit. I'm just going to pop that there for a second. Let's see what else we've got in the box. I always enjoy these unboxing videos. It's always interesting to see what's in there. Lots of good foam in there as well, supporting the unit. So here we go. Before we look into the unit, let's see what we've got. So this is a little bag that contains, let's see what it contains, a network cable. So that's a RJ45 cable to hook up to the unit, to a PC. Obviously you can use RS232 as well. Little rubber feet, so we have a count of 4 little rubber feet here. That's a LRF count. This is a USB stick, and that will have, like I said earlier, it'll have manual, and it'll have some software on there. This is the power supply. So this is a good solid brick with a locking screw on it. I love that. I hate when you use units and the power pops out. And then lastly, this is a UK plug as well. Obviously, if we're shipping to another part of the world that needs a different power cord, then we will supply that with it as well. So let's get the plastic bag out here, and let's see what the unit looks like. You can see it's got a number of buttons on here. Down this side, this is how we select presets, video switching, audio switching. Across here we have 16 buttons, and that's how we affect the preset change, audio change or video change. And the buttons light up in different ways to highlight that, and we'll see that in a future masterclass video. And then over this side, this is the info button and the power button. If I rotate around, you can see on the rear we have 4 DVI-U inputs. DVI-U is great when you're working with legacy AV, because what if someone comes into your room and says, I've got DVI, HDMI, or VGA, or composite video, RGB, YC, S-video. This unit can cope with all of that. So it really future-proofs the use of your unit. So we've got 4 inputs there. Underneath, we've got a scaled 4K output module. At the top here, this is where audio comes out, SP-Diff, below my locking power supply. And then on the opposite side here, this is where I connect up my networking, either by RS-232 or through RJ45. So pretty cool little unit. This is a unit that ought to live in pretty much every facility. It's really simple to set up. Please watch one of our future masterclass videos where I'll be showing you exactly that, how we get out of the box, how we power it up, how we get it all working. So that's us for now. This has been the MWP-4D-1Y unboxing. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.